For lunch, I made a Cajun salmon bite with a tomato and avocado salad with a corn and serrano pepper salsa. So I grilled a bunch of the veg that I had. I grilled the corn, jalapenos. I grilled the avocados as well, just for extra flavor. I really like charred flavor. And so I'm making the salsa that went on top of this, which was right on top of the salmon bites. It had serrano, grilled scallions. It had the grilled corn. It also had some Fresno chili, some fresh lime, and then of course cilantro. And I just put like a little bit of olive oil just to get things wet and wild and get things going. It was super bright, a little bit spicy, but it wasn't overpowering, which was really good. I just love grilled corn in the summer. It's like one of my favorite vegetables to use. And the Fresno, I've been putting in everything lately because I feel like it gives a pop of color and it also just adds a nice spice and nice pepper flavor. So I'm just dicing up the avocado for the salad component of my lunch. I grill the avocados and then I'm gonna pair it with some fresh heirloom tomato. I love like the warming cold contrast. And so I'm just putting it into the bowl and I'm going to kind of season every step. So I'm seasoning my avocado with olive oil, lime juice, salt, and pepper, and just like layering that flavor, which I think is super important. The heirloom tomatoes this time of year are amazing. It's probably my favorite fruit slash vegetable. And I added some pickled red onions. The Cajun salmon bites were super easy and it came out amazing. And we topped it with Trader Joe's ranch.